sun and salt water at the beach can be tough on our skin and our hair. Coming to the rescue with her beach bag essentials, it's my bud and beauty expert, Nikki Strachan. Hey, Nikki. Okay, yeah, fun fact about Nikki, she loves packing a bag.
I do. Anywhere I go, I need a bag and a bag and a bag, so I've brought you some beautiful beach bag necessities.
Okay, so starting off, obviously let's talk about SPF because it's kind of a non-negotiable.
Well, yes, we're moving into that. You always have to have an SPF in your beach bag, and I have brought you the Morelli. It's amazing. This is a summer kit, which gives you sort of like your essential summer go-to. So it has an SPF 35, which is great. It has a vitamin C, which you always match the two together. They're best friends. And then it has these like little like post-sun care, which is great. I always keep like in the fridge, which is really great. So you know when you come off the beach or like, you know, you're just feeling a little bit toasty, these are amazing.
Okay.
And then also again with the SPF 35, great, doesn't clog pores. It's medical grade, and also it won't give you that white cast.
Oh, so it's a mineral, but it won't do the white cast.
It won't give you the white cast.
Nice.
Yes. So
I
just
love
like
that.
nice kind of melds into the skin.
Beautiful. I love that. And I love the idea of the aftercare too.
I love post skincare.
Key.
Right?
Okay. No, Nikki Strachan, I love it. Thank you so much. That was great. Thanks to the lovely Nikki. You're all going home with a selection of Beach Day essentials.